So guys, here it is, the new wheels, the Koenig Rewind. I think they look pretty darn good. My brother also let me run his TRD shift knob. So pretty happy about that. But what we're working on today is working on the RA21. Some red palm right there. And then just using dry ice right now to, let me see the light. Dry ice to tear this stuff out. And using a hammer and a flathead, just breaking this stuff off. It's a long process, but we already kind of did this side, if you guys can see that. We're going to be installing a pedal box, cutting the firewall for the beams, and then just cleaning up all this sound deadening OEM Dynamat stuff. And this is what I've been working on right here. So I'll update you as we go. The next morning, and this is what we had so far. We cut this hole out because he's going to be fitting his beams in here. We're going to make a panel, a removable, it's not going to be really an access panel, but just a removable firewall panel. And that's going to be for clearance purposes. It's going to sit back further. It's going to be beveled in. This is what my brother got done yesterday. These things are incredibly hard to do, but you can see for a 72, it's pretty clean. No major rust. I mean, the metal is still nearly perfect for however long this car's been sitting. But many other RA21s have rotted floors, even like the 260Zs and 240Zs. This is really solid, like, yeah, good stuff. So the majority of it got taken off from these two front panels, the two front floorboards, and we just need to work on that. This up to the other side over there, if you can see that, and then some of this right here, and that'll be the complete front section. We used dry ice, and some of these portions we didn't even use dry ice. We just chiseled away, and they came off fairly easily. And there's no there's no real goal to put dynamite back in. We're just gonna go full on loud. Everything's gonna be in your face, straight up race, you know, who cares? And I think that we might cut this whole section here, and we might have to relocate it here, around here somewhere, because of the way that we're gonna mount the engine. We actually bought the relocation kit and everything, but I think that we decided that we're gonna mount the engine and we'll modify that tunnel to fit the engine, and the relocation kit, it's not gonna be in the exact same space. It's gonna be back a little further. So as far as that goes, we're on our way. We were waiting for the pedals to come in. They came in and they look amazing. So before I work on my skirts, I'm gonna be working on this a little bit. I already smoothed out the edges, pounded out a bunch of places that were initially pounded in. I evened out this whole area here. And then I worked on straightening this fender. It was really wavy, and you can see that this line right here continues now, right there. It's not perfect, but I think at the end, my brother's gonna have to Bondo it. Light Bondo. See all these damages. I don't have all the proper tools yet, but hopefully I'll get that soon. And then I'm just gonna be stripping this out some more. I worked on it a little bit, and it's pretty cool because you really don't even need dry ice. You just need to pound it out with a flathead and a hammer. But I'll show you guys as soon as that's done. Alright guys and gals, I always get distracted, so I probably won't be able to get to the skirts today, but we're gonna be working on this car and trying to create a shifter surround, and I'll show you how I go about doing that.
Won't you rock your fingers